Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to manage buttons for a headphones Srhythm NiceComfort. You can play and pause the song when you press one time multifunctional button. And again. Here we go. If you tap the button at top, you can raise the volume. Here we go. And if you hold it down, you can switch the song. Here we go. If you tap the button at the bottom, you can lower the volume. Here we go. And also, if you hold it down, you can play previous song. Now, if someone called to you, you can answer by press one time multifunctional button. And if you press two times multifunctional buttons, you reject a call. Here we go. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!